America right here. We're in the wilderness.
No one else should do this tippy top. This is bad.
What?
No one else should do the tippy top. This is bad.
I can't reach that, my friend.
This is bad.
Do it.
I don't know if you're gonna make it, man.
He's done it before.
Yeah, I don't know if he's gonna make it though.
I know. Just take a picture mid-air. Mid-air. Ernie, video?
Yes. Check.
Oh, hey, it's the
Okay,
cops.
tell me when.
God bless.
Whenever?
Yeah.
Full.
This feels like backflip and comes back here.
Alright, Katie, counting down from 3. 3, 2, 1. Shoot!
Oh! That sounded so painful. Did you hit the water wrong? It sounded like you did.
He's swimming very fast.
I have to go.
How was it?
I gotta do that again.
Was it metal?
Katie's like, I didn't get it.
Video over.